Students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are discussing letter writing, in which we have discussed format of the letter. We have also discussed many examples. So today we are going to practice some more solved examples. As if you will go through solved examples, so you will get idea to write an effective letter. You will get words and phrases which you can use in your letter. So that is why it is very important to go through solved examples. Solved examples help us a lot. After going through solved example, we come across new words, phrases, clauses which we can use, and it will also save our time. Okay, so without any further delay, let us begin. So let me write the question. Write a letter to the chairman of municipal corporation of your city. Municipal corporation of your city. It is municipal. Sorry. Expressing your grievances. Expressing your grievances pertaining to stray dogs and cattle. Pertaining to stray dogs and cattle. You are Mohit Mohini. You are Mohit Mohini of 12/24 Civil Lines, Lucknow. Okay. So dear students, this is the question. Write a letter to the chairman of municipal corporation of your city expressing your grievances pertaining to stray dogs and cattle. So you are Mohit Mohan of this address. So there is a problem of stray dogs and stray cattle. For the same you will have to write a letter. Okay dear students, so you can pause the video and write down the question, or you can also take the screenshot. So I am going to rub it and let us write answer to this question. Let us write this letter. So you have to first note down what problem you face because of stray dogs or stray animals. What problem you face, okay? And you will have to mention all the problems here. So first of all, we are going to write our address. What address has been given? Let me make more space here. Yes. Twelve upon 24 civil lines, Lucknow. If you know the pin code, so you should write whatever it is. Okay. If you know, if you don't know, you need not write. Okay. So as I'm not sure, so I'm not going to write it. Then leave a blank line and then date. It is 24 September 2020. Then you have to write receiver's address, to whom you are going to write. The municipal corporation, the municipal corporation, civil lines, Lucknow. Okay, dear students. So first, as you can see that you have to write your own address. After writing your own address, you have to leave a blank line. Then you have to write date. After date, receiver's address. Who is the receiver? The municipal corporation, civil lines, Lucknow. Okay. After this, we have to write the subject. So what is the subject? As it is about stray dogs. So you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write it down. Subject. After that you have to write subject. What is the subject? Table of stray dogs and cattle. This is the subject. Okay. It should be in phrase. You cannot write the sentence. Then sir. Okay. So you are going to draw the kind attention of authorities towards it. So this letter you are writing directly to the authority. Okay. So we are going to mention the authority directly. Sir, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. So dear students, you can use these lines in your first paragraph in all types of letter. I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. Okay. Now next paragraph. You can pause the video or you can take the screenshot. Now we are going to write the next paragraph. Let us begin the next paragraph. There are innumerable stray dogs as well as cattle itself it is plural, cattle in my locality. Okay, there are innumerable stray dogs as well as cattle in my locality. And what problem you are facing because of that? The children cannot come out of their homes as these dogs bark at the passers by. Okay, also we come across many cases of biting of dogs in my locality. So thus you can develop the content, what type of problem you are facing because of these stray dogs and stray animals. So there are innumerable stray dogs as well as cattle in my locality. The children cannot come out of their homes as these dogs bark at the passers-by. Also we come across many cases of biting of dogs in my locality every day. Okay, so you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Okay, I'm going to rub it. They bark and bite people during night. they also pass urine and stool in front of our houses as well as shops, So these are the problems which you are facing. They bite, they also pass urine, and stool in front of the house and shop. They bark and bite people during night. They also pass urine and stool in front of our houses as well as shops. Now you can change the paragraph and write, everyone in my locality is in a great fear. We have complained to the local authorities many times for the same, but got no favorable result. So let me show you. Yes, everyone in my locality is in a great fear. We have complained to the local authorities many times for the same, but got no favorable result. Okay, so you can take the screenshot, or you can pause the video and write it down. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have written. I am going to rub it. Now the closing paragraph. The letter, should be in your own words. It should be in formal words. Okay, first of all, you should write the outlines which you are going to use in the letters. First, make the mind map. Okay, then start writing. Rest. Now it is the closing paragraph. Last paragraph, closing paragraph. I request you to look into the matter and do the needful so that we can live peacefully in this in our locality, in our locality. Okay. Now yours faithfully of Mohan or Mohini, whatever the name has been given. The girls will be writing Mohini and the boys will write Mohan. Okay, dear students. So you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. So this way, dear students, you can write the letter, as it is very easy. You have to, if you will go through the solved examples, so it will be very easy for you to develop the content. Okay, so that is why it is very important to practice the solved letters. So most of the students, they do silly mistakes, they put comma after sir. So don't do such silly mistakes. They might get your marks deducted because of these silly mistakes. Okay, so I hope you have done it. So I am going to give you some more letters for practice. Questions for practice. Many questions I have already given you. Okay, so the more you practice, the better you will be able to write in your examination. First question: you are aware, of the fact that trees are essential for the survival of beings. Survival of beings. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India, expressing your ideas on tree plantation in not more than, it should be capital, T and P should be capital, tree plantation in not more than 150 words. In not more than 150 words. You are Mohit, Mohini. You are Mohit, Mohini of 39 GTC Varanasi. Okay. You have to write a letter to editor highlighting the importance of tea plantation. You are aware of the fact that trees are essential part of survivals of beings. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India expressing your ideas on tree plantation in not more than 150 words. You are Mohit, Mohini of 39 GTC Varanasi. Okay, dear students, so either you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Okay, so when we write a letter to editor, what would be the beginning paragraph? Yes, through the columns of your streamed newspaper, I would like to express my views on the subject mentioned above. Okay, so it should be the beginning paragraph. Let me write here. I am not going to write the whole letter, just I will write the beginning paragraph, and rest you will have to write in your own words. You will have to complete this letter. I hope you have written it or taken a screenshot. So first you will be writing your address, which is 39 GTC Varanasi Cant, Varanasi. Okay, with pin code, with zip code, then date 24 September 2020. After that, the editor, the Hindustan Times, the name of newspaper, okay, Hindustan Times here, Varanasi. Okay, dear students, after that, first you have written your own address, then you have left a blank line, then date, then the editor, the Times of India, Varanasi, then the pin code 0. Okay, now I am going to rub it and write the subject. I hope you all have written it. You can also pause the video and write down, or you can take the screenshot. Then your subject, what is the subject? Importance of, you are going to tell the importance of tree plantation. Tree plantation. Okay. Importance of tree plantation. Then sir. So yeah, through the first paragraph we should start this with through the columns of your steamed through the columns of your steamed newspaper I would like to express my views on the subject mentioned above. Okay, you can use the same paragraph for each type of letter to editor. In each type of letter to editor you can use the same paragraph. Through the columns of your steamed newspaper I would like to express my views on the subject mentioned above. So the same paragraph can be used in all types of letter to editor. Okay, so you should remember it, you should keep it remember, as you can use the same paragraph in all types of letter to editor. So rest is your homework. You have to develop the content, you have to develop the more content and complete this letter and send it on my mail. Okay, so thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow in the next video.